Carrot lily leaf petal Lilioceras lily is a destructive pest that feeds almost exclusively on true lilies, Lilium spp, including Asiatic and Oriental lilies as well. As Orient pets and species lilies first discovered in Canada about 50 years ago. These non-native species are gradually infiltrated most of New England and central and western Canada. In 2012, it appeared in Washington and Oregon as well. If this pest is active in your region, your lilies are at risk. Here are some ways to protect them. The lily leaf petal is about 1:4 long and bright scarlet red. Tough, easy to see, they are fast and difficult to catch. If they sense you're approaching, they immediately drop to the ground on their pecks and quickly vanish into the soil. There is one generation of these beetles per year. Adults overwinter in the soil and emerge in April and May to begin feeding and laying eggs. Each female can lay up to 450 eggs over a period of 3 to 4 weeks. The tiny orange-brown eggs are laid in rows on the underside of lily leaves, and the larvae begin hatching. 1 to 2 weeks later, lily leaf petal larvae are soft and slug-like. They are not pretty, but it gets worse. To protect themselves, they carry their excrement on their backs shown below. Ingenious and super disgusting, the larvae are voracious eaters and feed for 3 to 4 weeks before moving down into the soil to puppet. About a month later, they emerge as adult beetles and continue feeding before they return to the soil for the winter. Use neem oil to kill them. Systemic insecticides can be used to kill any insects or larvae who feed on plants. But as an organic gardener, I stay away from toxic chemicals. I prefer to use neem oil. Start spraying your plants in the early spring every 5 to 7 days. Neem will kill the larvae as they hatch from the eggs as well, as repel the adults, discouraging them from coming back to feed on your plants. Make sure that you are spraying the undersides of the leaves where the eggs and larvae are found, as well as the rest of the plant to repel the adults. Clean up your garden in the fall. Lily leaf petals hibernate in plant debris as well as in the soil during the winter. Cleaning up any dead plant material, leaves, sticks, and other debris from your garden in the fall will make your garden less attractive to the insects as a hibernation spot. Fewer beetles hibernating during the winter means that fewer beetles will emerge in the spring to eat your plants and lay eggs. Lily leaf petals can quickly destroy your prized lilies and other plants. Fortunately, you can get rid of them safely and organically.